Alright, so we were working on Samsquanch's Z36 today, and he made a stop at the junkyard to grab some axles. While he was here, he found a Z32. It's a 2+0, and it's black with black interior. So me and Michael rushed over here, and we've been working for like the last two and a half hours to strip this thing almost bare. So we took the dash out, took the black seat belt from this door. Unfortunately, that door over there does not have a black seat belt, but we took all of the tweed interior bits. We're gonna pull the carpet out now because I want that as well. Yeah, just a couple more things to pull from this guy and we should be good to go. You can see there is a massive pile of Z parts we're gonna be taking out of the yard today. So thanks for the help, man.
Yeah, no problem, anytime, man.
The carpet is out. You want to pull the diff?
Kind of. I feel like it would be...
Let's give it a go.
Cool. What time is it?
I think we got another 30 minutes.
Because of 5?
We're allowed to leave here at 5:30.
Oh, we got 45 minutes.
Oh, sick. Dope. We're gonna pull off this wing because it's ridiculous and everyone says I should get it.
Dude, it's
I'm not
like,
quite sold on it yet.
Dude,
but
just like take a step back. Take a step
goofy,
back,
bro.
Anybody who says that this one isn't good is wrong, and their opinion doesn't matter. Like it's like your dad was saying. It's like a F40 wing kind of style, and it's just like good in good condition.
It is in really good condition. It's got a stonker on it.
I mean,
It's got the barcode, bro.
Scan it.
Beep. We're gonna see if we can talk to the people at the front desk, and if we can get these quarter panels. We're gonna come back in the next day or two and take the quarter panels as well. I wanted to grab this fender because this fender on my car is kind of munched, but unfortunately that wheel is blocking the last 10 millimeter. We might get lucky. Maybe when Samsquanch gets here, we'll be able to lift up a piece of this car. But yeah, we don't know yet. It would be great if I could get this fender for the Z at home.
I can't believe you're not taking this. I think it's synced though.
You're taking the bumper?
He's not taking the bumper.
Nah, we're gonna leave the bumper here. Someone else could. That's like the last piece anyone could like really want off this car, man.
Shogun style.
So we got everything we needed with the help of Samsquanch and a mystery hero. We were able to move the wheel and get the passenger side fender off. We got this third brake light piece. We have the rear bumper, which was also good. Yeah, we're gonna try to get the diff in the subframe because Michael wants the diff for the 240, and I'd like the subframe for the Skyline. Yeah, we're pretty much stripping this thing dry. So whoever's car this is, it's being put to good use.
Yeah, I really am curious. It's got a couple of...
It's so sad.
Yeah, whoever had this car really did love this car.
It's got a lot of good stuff on it. It's really, this thing at one point probably ripped.
Yeah.
Bummer.
Well, pieces of it are gonna rip again.
Yep.
This is the massive pile of parts we were able to pull out of this car, off this car. Got a dash radiator, a complete black and tweed interior, a wing that I'm trying to get with, rear bumper, black carpet, like a fender. Yeah, we got like everything we kind of need for my Z.
Except for the back.
Except for the quarter panels, but hopefully no one's gonna come and take out the spot welds before we do.
Ooh, I need coffee.
Yeah, thanks, man. Thanks, Dad.
Yeah.
Oh, we got some E36 axles.
Yeah, we got 3 E36 axles too. So these guys got spares.
We'll need those.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm back at the wrecking yard, taking more stuff off of the Z. Right now I'm working on taking out the quarter windows on both sides. I already got the trunk lid off. Headliner is right here. Unfortunately, this car is a slick top, which is sad, but I might come back for the roof later. Kind of don't know. I like the T-tops, but the hard tops, the slick top's pretty sick too. Anyway, the goal for today is to take off the quarter panels. I've been told I can use a Sawzall here, so that's the only real cutting tool I get. I'm gonna try to get these windows off, and we'll see what happens after that. I'm kind of worried that 2 batteries is not gonna be enough to cut both sides off, so I'm gonna start with the driver's side because that one's better than the passenger. So I got the quarter panel part way off, and Samsquanch came down to help, because yeah, there was no way I was doing this without some extra hands. We're getting pretty close to pulling this off, so I'm going to try to find a car to set the camera on so you guys can watch this disaster. Oh, and that's what's fucking turned me.
Not too bad. Like 60 pounds. Oh. So sad. This was such a nice car.
Yeah, someone really liked this car before it got trashed.
So bad.
That sucked. Guess there's only one more side to do though. We didn't do that to this fender. We tried to fix it so someone else might be able to enjoy it, but someone fucked it up. How rude. So we got a lot of stuff off of that Z. That was a huge score. I just wanted to list off everything we were able to get from that car because it was pretty amazing. So I was able to get a dash, a black carpet, the entire center console section, including the stuff that goes behind the back seats. I got some A-pillars. I got a headliner with an interior light, which is for a hard top, but someday in the far future, I might try to get a hard top for that car and swap it over. I got a passenger seat. I got the driver's side seat belt. Unfortunately, there wasn't a passenger side one in there. Would have gotten that too. I got a radiator, a fan clutch, because mine's a little bit wobbly. I got a front fender, a rear subframe, I got a rear bumper, I got the ridiculous wing that Michael and my dad love, and I think I'm starting to like it too. We test fitted it on the Z a couple days ago and it looks pretty fun. I got the third taillight piece that goes on the rear hatch, which is, they're like super hard to find, and if you can't find them, they're really expensive to buy new. And I was able to get both rear quarter panels and some of the window trim that goes on the quarter windows. All of that I got for under $1,000 at the wrecking yard. It was a huge score. Yeah, that was freaking awesome. I've been wanting to get a black tweed interior for that car. They're just really hard to find, and when they do come up, they're usually super expensive. I hope you guys enjoyed the short video on it. I thought it was kind of fun to see a car just get totally mutilated. It's going to a good cause, but yeah, nah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.